Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a table in a draw.io. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up the diagram you want to insert a table in. And then come here on the left hand panel and you can click on, for example, general, miscellaneous. This is where you usually find your different table options. And if you hover over them, you can even see the previews. Now, if you want to see all the options, I suggest you just come here and type to search. So type in table, and then you just press enter on your keyboard, and you will see all the different table options. As you can see, you can also click here on more results to view everything. And if you want to bring any of these tables in, let's say you liked this one, to insert, all you need to do is click on it. And there you go. Here we have our table. You can drag it anywhere you want. But that is how you add table in draw.io.